Greetings, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about BizeemTraffic.com. It's a powerful branding and free traffic site that actually works. They deliver stunning website design, real human engagement with your business, and innovative webmaster tools that promote your brand. Get noticed with Bizeem. Get clicks with Bizeem, and keep growing. That's not all. You can earn big with their comprehensive affiliate program as well. Now, the big thing with them is you can promote your Instagram with confidence. As most of you Instagrammers know, most advertising platforms do not allow Instagram links, but Bizeem has the solution. They have an Instagram landing page designer that lets you embed your profile inside a fully branded landing page, including your title and description. It's custom built to pass moderation on traffic exchanges, pay-to-click traffic exchanges, and pay to play, or I'm not sure what P2P is for. I should look that up, and I'm not going to. Well, let's take a look. Let's search Google for it. No. Oh, okay, that might be it. Precision time protocol. Okay, and other ad networks that usually reject social media URLs. Promote safely, track your hits, and grow without limits. And they also have earnings with your free account. You can promote their traffic and design services and earn real rewards. Whether you're referring others or upgrading your own promotion package, their affiliate program gives you an easy way to reinvest in your visibility. And there's always special offers on professional web design. They regularly launch exclusive web design packages tailored to entrepreneurs and digital creators. Their responsive packages are crafted for speed, clarity, and conversion, with randomly rotating discounts exclusive to members. And you get guaranteed quality website exposure. Every new surfbar on Bizeem benefits from a unique traffic model. Websites are guaranteed at least 10 seconds of user engagement. And they have cross promos that get more rewards too because of this. It not only improves attention and message delivery, but also supports better SEO and search engine ranking visibility. And they have services built for serious growth. Design and advertising credits. You can level up your visibility with exclusive perks at Bizeem Design and Traffic. Enjoy free advertising credits plus access to custom banner designs, both animated and static, directly from your dashboard. You can build a brand that sticks, from sleek logos to full identity packages. Bizeem Design and Traffic helps you shape how the world sees your business. It starts with a free account and ends with brand recognition. And then, of course, there are member-only design discounts. Unlock serious savings on website design. Upgraded members can save up to $890 compared to pricing on their public platform. The more value, less spend. They turn vision into websites with professional website design. They have a built-in traffic exchange so you can get your product out there immediately. And you can promote your business completely free, as you can see. And it's free to join. And let's take a look inside. This is what your dashboard is going to look like. This is your affiliate ID number here. This is how many credits I have that are unassigned. Referrals, you see I have none. That's why I'm making the video. Okay, and same with commissions. But you do get, I think it's $5 on sign up. And you can earn more. They have little perks while you're surfing. And there are daily surf rewards as well. And this is to vote for traffic exchanges. And as you can see, they have graphic design, web design, script tools, Instagram landing, video production, and free traffic. And we'll take a look at all of those. I thought I was signed in. this is the graphic design service. As you can see, you can get one banner that's static. The price is $5. An animated banner is $20. 3 banners that are animated, $28. So that's a better buy, as you can see. And let's get all of those reloaded. And let's see. These are the specials that they have. $10 for a monthly super login banner. When you log in, your banner would be displayed, and the dashboard banner, oh, I guess they're all sold out. Or you have to submit a ticket, so they'll let you know the dates that they'll be displayed. But right now it looks like they're sold out. Okay, and I thought I refreshed you. Sorry folks, doing this on the fly, no script. Here's the web design services. Their team is a program created by Biz Design Services. When you are a member at bizeemtraffic.com, you will save big on their design packages. Now, as you see, they have a basic package of $290, an essentials package, which gives you everything in the basic plus more. Well, you get 3 splash pages versus 1. When you go with the business, you get more stuff as well, and of course enterprise, and they got the prices discounted too. Okay, and these are websites with graphics, and these are web designs without graphics. So you see the price difference. All right, and here are the plugin mods and web design. They have custom plugins for your website that they design for you. It all depends on what you're getting, and you let them know how you want the website to function. Of course, you would do that because you know I'm making a video. Let's get it out of the way. You know I'm not going to stop. Just let all the errors go. The video doesn't have to be perfect. Now, this is the big thing with them, the Instagram landing page designer. Okay? It's their solution to one of the most common problems with having an Instagram page is that you can't promote it on traffic exchanges. This is a traffic exchange itself, Bizeem Traffic. What their design does is they're proud to announce that now you can easily create and promote your Instagram page on all traffic exchanges. Using this method, your audience is just one click away from viewing your profile and getting to know you. All you have to do is fill out the form, put in your Instagram username, title. You can select the colors that you want. Okay, if you have a code, you can put it in there. And here's your description. No HTML, just text. And you can even choose your description color. And of course, the reCAPTCHA to make sure that you're not a bot. And your page is created just like that. And this is free. So all you Instagrammers out there looking to get more eyes on your products, Bizeem Traffic is the way to go. They also have a video production service. You can give your brand a voice, a face, and a powerful presence online. They've got 4K video output, unique branding, and affordable plans. I'm not going to do that. I don't know if YouTube would get me for doing that. And it's crafted for all business sizes. You have their Essential, which is, as you see, a custom-made video, unlimited modifications for 60 days. You get a music track. It's 1 minute in duration, unlimited custom graphics, and shot footage is included. So I guess that means they're going to give you what they used, and so you can download that. And with the deluxe package, you get a custom-made video, lifetime modifications. You get a music track plus sound effects. It's 1 minute in duration as well, unlimited custom graphics, shot footage included, and limited time bonus. There must be something else. if you sign up for this package. And then of course, that is, why did we do this now? Any other time it would have just been going right in. Those are making a video. So this is the getting started page. What you should do once you join them is familiarize yourself with the menu, stay active for rewards, just surf on here and build up your credits. You can upgrade for more, and you can see what you can earn with the membership. You're going to add your ads, any affiliate products and offers you have or services. You can also become an affiliate. That's right here with the promotional tools. And if you have any questions or any problems, you can always contact them and they'll respond. And the surfing is like any other traffic exchange, which I'll show you. This one here, you just click surf. They have a 15-second timer. And this is an ad. They want you to vote. I'll vote. All the traffic exchanges do this. And the ones, of course, that get the most votes end up in that top 10 list. And you simply click the matching icon. They want you to click on a heart, so you click the heart, and the timer goes again. Another ad will be displayed. And there you have it. That's basically how you build up your credits. I'll go back to the dashboard. As you can see, I've been busy. I do have credits here. You would add your sites here. I've already got the maximum number of sites, and these are the page views, how many hits you've gotten, and the number of credits I have assigned. Okay, you can assign them manually, or you can assign them automatically in one shot. This is the percentage distribution for the credits for your websites. You gotta have at least 75% of your credits. When you put in your first site, if you only have one, just put in 75 or 100%, whichever works better for you. You can also advertise banners, text ads. You can do square banners, usually the 125 by 125. Let's see what size. Okay. Let's go to something else. Login ads, that's when you first come in. You'll see this ad, the timer on it's 20 seconds, and you can't do anything until the ad goes away. Okay, and these are the services that I mentioned and showed you before. And that is basically it. Now, you can add your social links. I did my Facebook group. I haven't used X yet, and I've got my YouTube channel there. And if you've got a blog or a website, you can put that in as well. And so that's basically it, folks. But the big thing with them is this, the Instagram landing page designer. If you want to get more eyes on your Instagram feed, this is the way to go. And you can advertise it in traffic exchanges like this one and like others. I'm trying to figure out. Let me find one. Are you going to give me one? Okay. It's the first one that popped up. You can advertise here at Cash Cow Traffic. I'll leave the link in the description as well. Cash Cow, by the way, pays you 50 cents, up to 50 cents per day if you serve 500 pages. Their big thing is for every 100 pages you serve, you get 10 cents. So as you do 100, you get 10, you get 200, you get 20, up to 50 cents for 500 pages. And I might as well log in and show you. I've been on here for a while. They do pay, and I have to be honest with you, it's slow. You have to send Nigel, this character, an email to remind him that he owes you money, but you will receive your payout. Okay? And as you can see right now, my unpaid commissions are $11. I did request them. And yeah, here's my cash out request. The last one was on the 5th of September. And you can't make a cash out within that 10 days that you requested a cash out. It's every 10 days. And it has to be a minimum of $5. Okay. And when you upgrade, wow, you can put up to 100 sites on here. And let's see. That's where I am. I wanted to show the payout page. This shows the payouts that people have received. Again, they do pay, but you kind of have to remind Nigel to send you your payment. So that's it, folks. If you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comments. And again, for you Instagrammers, this is where you need to be, because you can get your site seen with the traffic exchanges and get more traffic, get more visibility, get more sales. So I do thank you for watching. Have a great day.